Igbo na mana game taken kwa mo never been na ya simudo de la onya bana biko na Ijele si no ye ji aka ya we be gentle na ndu bia isi that ni we na ewe amu na osokwa ya se ha na ndo ozo no n'ụwa osokwa ya na si happy ya si ndo ozo happy ya si gbakọta aka but no ye ji aka ya n'ụwa apụta we be hisi oy hoji onu ya we ku na this video kete na nkwadi na neketa. Then secondly, the issue now on ground is that now all the kahana lack human power and resources. Yes, I think you can see a fool. Because now a lot of time we keep calling on government, you know, in a morning car, Hope Uzodinma, governor here, what caught my attention? What is the problem between Imo State and Abia State? Because he made mention that Abia State government in a shield and Alex Oti actually that it seems like Abia State government is shielding those imago and the Hassan Hana according to him. So now you not Soludo now. Ebi no be Imo State. You not Soludo ka Soludo si Anambra nyege bunye unu ndị mmadụ ka ha bịa n'ụwa ọgụ si Anambra border between Anambra na Imo State according to you. So the case is somehow complicated. You got to go because can the thing all he's venting on iwe dị na arụ anyị dịkwa wee gbuo onye nka amụrụ m ka igbu mmadụ nwa na ọdịzi easy mmadụ ahụ mgbe mmadụ ghọrọ ọkụkọ igbu mmadụ ji wee dịzi very very easy because I don't understand gbe akwa mmadụ ka a na-egbu bụrụkwa ọkụkọ nke o ji abụ ewu because I don't seem to understand what is happening. Onwere ndị gị na ha nwe problem, go out there and sort yourself out. Enwekwana ndị si na ha ama nkwe unu anya ọbụla mee gịnị anọọlụ onwe ha na ịkpọkọ ego this governor onye apụta ịkpọkọ Alex Oti ịkpọkọ Hope Uzodinma ịkpọkọ Soludo kedu nke anyị eso now all those people ị na-akpọkịta ọha nwazije gidi ya ha gị or you just want to go there and showcase your human power or to showcase that na n'enwega access to military arsenals also. I don't understand. You will be formal military training because now if you sell yourself if you sell your brother to the enemy, the person in a less one so you will think that you are doing these people a favor by you na appoint who's say okay na ebuni aga na ebuni yetishi na nya na choy mago you are there in form of to identify them ma for her mana the problem the there na nda again na haso amantros because one day they will come for you. That is the truth. How many should go and check all through history? And we only one year no opponent whether for good or for bad that ended well. And I'm asking them in a meeting, I will not say anything. In a meeting, I will not say anything. But the truth in all of these things is Udele. And when some things ana here kuna camera. Inwere ihe nwoke na baby akwo because onwere egwu Oliver de Kokwe dugolo bolo jukwu mgbe ahụ nata. O si ya nwanne m ihe nwoke na-eme na adịkwu ya n'obi. Yotago maka mgbosi ọzọ. That is what Oliver de Kokwe gwara Ojukwu n'egwu ya mgbe ije ge ugwu n'ogolo maka nnata Ojukwu mgbe ahụ. Ojiwesi na nwanne m na ihe nwoke na-eme dịkwa ya n'obi. So biko on that note na na ihe ejelekwu ka ọ dịkwa.
The PG of Asia community Tona Nwabreze. You see, full name is Tona Ferdinand Nwabreze. Pray for you are going to pay for everything you did. I just want you to know that when this is all said and done, the only thing that will save you in Alibo will be you buying yourself. Susu, you know which Susu I mean? SUICIGE will be the best thing that will happen to you because you will beg for buying. It will not come. I guarantee you, you see you and the traditional ruler, cultural ruler, in actual sense, of Asia. This thing you people turned Asia to. So Asia is where they now sell all the properties of your brothers they stole from Osumohu, Osihituka, Lilu, Iseke, and the environs. Here are the local government. All the things they are stealing, they are selling it into your place. And POS business now is the biggest industry in Asia. Don't assume you are not getting all this information. You see, I'm right here in Osihituka. I'm currently at Osihituka. I will come to Asia. You will soon sue me in Asia. You will have to explain. In fact, hope you don't explain yourself to me. We don't come to that. Ikoneko rute by from Ngwa to Ferdinand Okeke. I don't know why the Anambra State Governor, Professor Soludo, is still leaving someone like you. You and the traditional ruler of Asia. Are you going to deny knowledge of the people doing this in Asia or what they are doing in Asia? Are you going to deny it? Eh? Are you going to deny it? Then the PG of Osumohu, somebody Kweforoge, all of you, your names are in the book of remembrance. I guarantee you that. Ndị ọzọ hapụ godu unu mụ aga ebere unu isi personally. Ndị ọzọ hapụ godu unu mụ ama hapụ. All this evil unu na-eme. And what's his name? Allen Onyama here megbukwa egi. Unu can negotiate go do what you will do with them. You are still negotiating. Mandi kunu na plan iruru uno. Allen Onyama. So you prefer giving these people amnesty. What sort of amnesty are you talking about? I saw your video the other time. You were telling people, and they are back to killing people. Amnesty without disarmament. Oh, each and a federal government gabi butego ke emekwa another amnesty program. Mama back ishe butego nkegu. Of all the things this country has done for you, of all the things you've benefited from this country after the COVID, I know how much you make. I know the tax break you were given to the tune of billions. So many airlines would have gone down, including your own, which you know. When they tried to steal your money, the Boeing people, all of us were out, shouting, screaming, posting, attacking them. And when you give back to your community, it's coming to buy bags of rice. Before these people started destroying our communities, can't people in the village, living in villages, buy their own rice they will eat? In a bibite rice, don't worry, this will not last forever. And kunu eme POS, nazi anaji POS, una miari ego ndị mmadụ, una na-ebuari millions n'ime POS unu nazi. Don't worry, oge ru niile ote aka jeni mark ya unu ga afum nazi ya one day akufro su ito kwanu finish ebe unu ga afum dia cherenu between now and September unu ga afum nazi ya go and market. Keep on hiding that anu mpama na akpọ onwe ya butu ụzọ kunu ha ke afa ada na egbu ọkọ na ndị otu ya. All the people from Asia unu manu ya na-ekwu na enwe nke bụ asị. Don't worry, I need more information from Asia, and Asia, keep sending them in. I'm going to deal with them.